So, yun guys. I'm inviting you all to please do watch my channel, What If Prototypes. I may be talking about anything while I'm doing something on the videos. And no live stream yet eh. I don't have provision for that yet because I needed to, of course, pull off some videos and shorts on this channel. It's going to be a long journey. And while I am kind of not in the action of exercising, I want to do these other things and maybe what other learnings I may have with regards to cultivating creativity. So I hope guys that helps. Please support my channel. I appreciate it. What if prototypes? Prototypes YouTube channel. This has been Carmina. Thank you guys. Take care.